In a world that thrives on responsible practices, becoming a leader in social responsibility is more important than ever. Welcome to CDG Training, the global leader in online learning and certification. Introducing our ISO 26000 Lead Auditor course, tailored to enhance your auditing expertise for social responsibility. Gain mastery in auditing techniques, boost your career, and become a certified expert in ISO 26000 standards. Learn through engaging modules that include real-world case studies and hands-on exercises. Our courses are designed by experts with years of experience in ISO standards. Earn a globally recognized certification that sets you apart. Join a global community of auditors and build connections that last. Study anytime, anywhere with our self-paced, online learning platform. Dive deep into essential topics, from principles of social responsibility to advanced auditing techniques. Test your knowledge with interactive assessments designed to ensure mastery. Make a tangible impact by helping organizations embrace social responsibility. Hear from our successful alumni. Step into the future of responsible leadership. Visit us at cdgtraining.com to get started. CDG Training, your partner in professional growth.